Welcome all of the viewers and the students. Today I am going to discuss about the electromotive force and the potential difference. Now you are watching electromotive force and potential difference by the help of the electrical circuit. So first your topic is electromotive force and potential difference. In brief, it is represented like EMF and PD. It is denoted by V and this one denoted by P. And don't get confused. Here electromotive force E, actually it is not the force but the energy supplied by the cell. So EMF and the potential difference, and to understand it, there are the two different ways to understand the electromotive force in terms of the work done or in terms of the potential difference. Now consider an electrical circuit of resistor R, and it is connected with a source of EMF E, but circuit is open. And now in the second case, circuit consists of resistor R, cell of EMF E, and with K key, but the circuit is closed and hence there is a flow of current. So this one is the open circuit. Just a minute. Closed circuit. Open circuit means there is no flow of current externally. But even that, if a voltmeter is connected across the terminal of the source or cell, in this situation, the terminal potential difference across the cell, across the battery, when circuit is open, this terminal potential difference is known as the EMF or electromotive force of the cell. If any cell mention like the 2 volt, marked by the 2 volt, 3 volt, 4 volt, it means this is the electromotive force, not the potential difference. So the electromotive force itself is the potential difference between the terminals of the cell when circuit is open, means if the circuit is open, no current is drawn, that is I equal to 0, or for open circuit, terminal potential difference is equal to EMF. Now come to the second figure. Here the circuit is closed, key is closed, and that is why there is the flow of current I. And in this moment, if in the closed circuit a voltmeter is again connected across the source, so now there is a difference in reading, and at that moment the total potential difference across the source, across the cell, that is known as the potential difference. So both potential difference and the EMF is the terminal potential difference across the cell. In first case, the circuit is open, I equal to 0, and in second case, circuit is for closed circuit and I is not equal to 0. So the terminal potential difference for closed circuit is known as the potential difference, and terminal potential difference is equal to EMF for open circuit and if there is no flow of current externally or through the resistor. So this is the one of the process to understand the electromotive force and the potential difference. Now come to the point in terms of the work done. So this figure like R, this was the source of EMF E, and if there is the internal resistance, a small r, so and circuit is closed by K, So E equal to I R plus R. And for the closed circuit, the equation V is equal to I R is used when there is no internal resistance, or if internal resistance of cell equal to 0, so this E can be replaced by the term V, and then V is equal to IR. But here you cannot neglect the internal resistance of cell if there is a cell. If there is a cell is connected, and internal resistance means resistance offered by the electrolyte, resistance offered by the constituents of the cell, that is known as the internal resistance. And this plays a very important role, and due to this there is the equation like E is equal to IR plus R. So IR plus IR, and here V is equal to IR as according to Ohm's law. So total sum of EMF equal to V plus IR. Potential difference across external resistance and potential difference across internal resistance, and this is the equation number 1. And this equation V is equal to E minus IR. More frequently this equation second can be used, and this equation 2 shows that the potential difference is always less than the EMF. So now at this situation, a voltmeter is connected here, or voltmeter is connected here. So there is the potential difference, and this potential difference always less than the EMF. I have already said earlier, if any indication like the 2 volt, so this is the EMF. But if the cell is connected like that here, and the current I passes through in this situation, so at that moment the voltmeter reads the value less than the 2 volt. Now in terms of the work done, I have to explain again the electromotive force. Now consider a circuit of resistor R, source of EMF E, and internal resistance of R, and there is the current I. So the electromotive force is defined as the total work done to flow unit charge throughout the entire circuit, means also including the cell. Entire circuit means current or charge through the R and charge through the internal resistance. It means the flow of charge indicated from the plus through R and into the minus E, negative terminal, and the charge also flow from the minus to plus. So there are the 2 different parts: charge through the R, charge through the small r, current through the capital R, current through the small r. So electromotive force equal to work done needed to carry the charge, to move the charge from the one point to the another point throughout the entire circuit, including the cell. And this is also defined as the energy supplied by a cell to establish the current in the circuit. So the energy supplied per unit charge is also known as the electromotive force. So now W by Q means work done by charge or energy supplied by the Q. And this work done is divided into 2 parts like W1 and the W2 by the Q. So this one is written as W1 by Q plus W2 by Q. Work done by charge is the EMF if there is the flow of charge through the entire circuit. But if it is divided into the 2 parts, means work done to move the charge from point A to the point B or through the resistor R. So this work done per unit charge is known as the potential difference. It means if you have to consider the work done for entire circuit, for entire path, at that moment this is the total work done by the charge. And if you consider the work done between the 2 points, at that moment this is the W1 by Q, and this is the potential difference across the resistor across the resistor R, and this is the potential difference V, means work done by charge इक्वल टू पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. तो ये दोनों सिमिलर लग रहा है, लेकिन यहाँ पर वर्क डन आपका वर्क डन between the 2 points, work done between the 2 points or across the resistor to flow the charge from the point A to B. So there is the restriction. In EMF, there is the need to the total work done and total path. And this is the work done for only the path like A to B or from the point first in the resistor to the second one. So this is the V dash, and in terms of the V, and this one voltage means current into resistor, internal resistance. So this equation V is equal to E minus IR. So in this way, the same equation is obtained as obtained earlier, and here it indicates V always less than the EMF. But the situation like that, if V is equal to E, means when I equal to 0 or for open circuit. So in this situation, if there is no current is drawn, at that moment potential difference is equal to the EMF. And one of the condition is also if the internal resistance R equal to 0. If R equal to 0, at that moment simply V is equal to E. So such types of the condition. But mainly if you have to define the electromotive force or potential difference in terms of work. So work done by charge throughout the entire circuit is the EMF, and work done by charge for only the specific region, a specific length, a specific value of the resistor or across the resistor, this is simply the work done. So there is no any confusion about this is the W1 by Q here, and if you represent like W by Q is equal to V, it means the definition is restricted the work done for that particular length and that particular resistor, and that is why work done by the charge, and this is also the total work done by charge for the total entire path. तो ये दो तरह से हम लोगों ने इसको एक्सप्लेन किया है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मिलते हैं किसी एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, कुछ नए प्रॉब्लम्स को इसको सोल्व करेंगे, और कोई जो प्रॉब्लम आएगा तो उसको फिर हम लोग एनालाइज करेंगे कैसे इसको हम लोग देखते हैं. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू वेरी मच.